How does your printing machine enable you to be successful? Is it quality? Is it reliability? Perhaps it's innovation. We at Hallstein have been looking at this question very closely. And for us, they go without saying. We believe that the ultimate factor for success is productivity. Gone are the days of long runs. With job lengths constantly getting shorter, we believe today's packaging market is defined by setup times. Because in every minute of setup, your machine is not productive, or, in other words, you're not making money. That's the reason why we created the most marvelous register and impression system in the market, A-Run. And as you can see, the A stands for Hallstein. But what is A-Run? A-Run is not just a mounting machine or a sensor in a sleeve. A-Run is an offline process that calculates the perfect settings for register and impression, so you don't have to, increasing your productivity and therefore your success. A-Run. Now, that's what we call smart. Hallstein. By printers, for printers.